Who? Esther. He's drunk. Hey, Esther, get away from him. This is a drunk dog, dude. If you guys ever seen a drunk dog, this is a drunk dog. Leave him alone, Eva. He's drunk. Yes, he is. He drank my alcohol. I left it on the floor and he drank it. It's sad though, but now I know. She thinks I did it on purpose. Like I left it on the floor on purpose.
You did. You said I left it there to see if he'll drink it.
He's drunk. He is. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
You know what it was?
And I left my drink on the floor and he drank it.
No!
Mira el otro. No wonder he was so quiet on the floor. Okay, I don't want him on the couch though. Haku down.
Great! Now that you left the house, what if he dies?
He's not gonna die. Okay guys, go upstairs, everybody, leave him alone. Go upstairs, that's good enough.
He's scared.